What's up everyone, it's me, Rasmus Animate. As you guys can see I am dressed up as Fred Jones for Halloween. Anyways, let's start the video.
Well, this is it, I have the found place. Well, this is it, new job. Oh my god, the animatronics look so scary. I better go to the office. Oh okay, first job here. Who the hell is calling?
Oh hello, there, welcome to your first at Dexter the Cat's Pizza Place. I have work at office before you, and also, you have the first night here. If animatronics comes to your office, close the door. Okay, have a good night, and I will talk you tomorrow.
Well that is strange, let me watch YouTube on my phone.
Did he come back?
I hope not. Sure.
Well, I think so.
Bobby, go to the office right now, I am warning you.
Okay, fine.
Who the hell is that? Well as for that, take this.
Ouch, what was that for?
Good, coast is clear. Well, I guess this is the normal room here.
It's me.
What was that? Uh-oh, I am starving, I need to go to the kitchen. Oh wow, a pizza, maybe I can eat it. Yummy, that was so delicious pizza ever. Uh-oh, someone is coming, I better hide.
Where the heck is he that? I will find you later.
Whoa, that was very close. Oh look, it's 6 a.m.